just finished week 17 of the trading challenge, trading from $100 to $1 million. Currently at 18.9k. Last week we were at 23.6, so we are down 4.7k this week. But yeah, I'll go through the trades real quick. So the first trade I took was Michi, and essentially I got in around this first top, and then I just sold instantly for a quick loss. There's some things I didn't like about it, but it is a really good narrative. So yeah, but I got out and I took only a $50 loss. So that was that. Then this other coin called Dawn came out, which is again the same narrative, but this time his raccoon rather than dog or cat. There's raccoon. So I got into this one on the second candle, or the second 30-minute candle, and then I ended up selling around here half of my bag. I did do it through V3. So let me try and find that. Yeah, so I pulled my LP on these tops, and that was about half of my bag. And you see I took out 15 million pulse chain by here. But yeah, I did buy back a bag on the dip right here on this candle, and it's moved up nicely. But yeah, that's pretty much done. Decent narrative. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Probably take my initials out after it pumps up a bit, and hold a bag maybe, because it is a good narrative. But yeah, next one, airplane. There was a whole mess going on with this one. These were two different contracts, so I think this was the original. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to find. I think this is it. Yeah, 11 months old. So they did like a relaunch, or it was hacked or some shit, and I got in on these dips right in the bottom as well on this one, and then sold this initial top. So yeah, that was the original contract of airplane. And then there was the second trade. On that one I made 900. Wait, was that one? No, this one I made 400 at 10 million pulse. And then on the second one I ended up losing money. It was this one maybe? Yeah, this one. So I ended up buying in because way like after the launch, but around here someone told me that they were going to CTO it, and then obviously I bought and it didn't get CTO'd. Maybe they still will, I don't know. But I have sold the dip, and I took a $150 loss on that, which is 3 mil pulse. But yeah, not too bad. I mean, I made more overall on both of them. But yeah, that was that. And there's just me buying back into Dawn. And then the last trade was Bury. BURY. So yeah, this was put in a course channel, and then like someone's course channel. I aped in, and yeah, I mean, I pretty much saw break even. I made like 100k pulse. This is actually, I put this green. Yeah, so I made literally $8 and 100k pulse, and that's it. That's the whole trades of the week. Obviously, it had a fucking huge dump here. I'm pretty sure it got CTO'd somewhere in, or this whole area CTO'd, and now it's being took over by somebody who bought the coin. Yeah, that was that. That's all the trades for the week. Basically, all the trades were they were all good trades. The only thing, well, like net positive for the trades of the week, but I am down 4.7k, and that's just holdings. Ink's down over the week. I did actually buy another 724 ink, which is 25k or 25 million pulse. Let's just have a look. So yeah, I got in right on that dip with another 25 mil pulse, which is 1.1k at the bottom. So yeah, nice just DCA in this chart. Every time I make 50 mil pulse, I was choking 25 mil, and just keep stacking up ink. We've got now 4.5k ink. We have 100 million Don, which is 1%, and then we just got some pulse to play around with, and the same amount of Kishka that we had the whole time is now 10 grand on the dip. So yeah, let's have a look at Kishka. Kishka had it had a big old dump, so it came down. hit this like, you know, obviously a huge like demand area, like wiped out this support, came down, hit these like support levels, bang, instantly got bought up, and now it's just chilling. You know, maybe we mess around here, but I am still very bullish on Kishka. Obviously, it's the main cat on Pulse Chain. So yeah, just holding that. It's a long-term bag, and then I've got my ink, and pretty much I just need to trade this Pulse Chain, and that's pretty much my only active bag. And then obviously Don is an active trade as well. But yeah, that's literally everything. Pulse Chain is just still underperforming. Well, that's the whole market really. We're just kind of on the dip. Come into a bottom most likely, you know, maybe become a little bit lower, make a W. Ignore this line. But yeah, something like this I can see playing out. Make a W, higher, lower, send it. But yeah, let's have a look at Bitcoin, and that'll be the whole weekly update. So yeah, Bitcoin is just chilling. I'm not expecting to go much lower than this. You know, that's already more than enough of a dip, I think. We are in what I think is like this last big push up for Bitcoin. So we're in this kind of consolidation zone that we had last cycle, and then you have this last big bang up at some point, and you probably get up to around here. But yeah, that's pretty much all. That's the whole weekly update. ETH's still chilling as well. Probably a bottom zone here, and maybe worst case if we do break down, we'll come back down to this level. But yeah, that's all. Chilling. We got 20 or 19 grand pretty much on the dip, and Pulse Chain's ready to go up at some point soon in the whole market. You know, this is just kind of making this little handle, I guess, on this cup, and we should break up pretty soon back over this trend line, and we'll be off to, you know, 8k ETH, and hopefully Pulse Chain takes off after that. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. We're 19k, and should be, you know, getting towards that 100k mark pretty soon. Draggers.